Hello everyone, I am Dr. Amit Kumar, Faculty of Management Studies from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on project planning, a brief overview. The process of project planning includes the following aspects: introducing project planning, examine the stage of project planning, which include the following: scoping, estimation, risk analysis, scheduling. Next is focus on some of the tools and techniques available to a project planner. Now, steps in project planning. Scope. It intends to understand the problem and the work that must be done. Estimation. It must explain how much effort and time is required. Risk. It should answer some basic questions like what can go wrong, how can we avoid it, what can we do about it. Schedule. How do we allocate resources along the timeline? What are the milestones? Control strategy. How do we control quality? How do we control change? Now, let's discuss that in detail. Scope. It includes the boundaries and description of the project, its control, function, performance, constraints, interfaces and reliability. Sufficient to determine project feasibility and create an initial plan. Scope is affected by customers' needs, business context, project boundaries, customers' motivation, likely paths for change. Next is estimating various resources. Human resources. Select skills required, both position and speciality. It also requires an effort estimate. Next is technological resources. It needs to evaluate the requirements of technology. Next is financial resources. Total cost estimates, sources of funds and the cash flow analysis must be done in advance. Now, let's discuss risk analysis and management. It involves the following likelihoods: uncertainties in future happenings, what risk might cause the project to go out of track. Involves change. How will changes in customer requirements, development in new technologies and other factors which might affect timeliness and success. Related to choice. What methods and tools should be used, how many people should be involved to reduce risk, etc. Now, let's discuss risk management paradigm. The key steps are as follows. First is identify the risk. Next is analyze every aspect thoroughly. Next is plan the remedial action, then track the progress and control the process. So, I hope you must have understood the topic project planning quite well. Thank you very much.